In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ERPNext for free. If you've been looking to manage your business processes efficiently without spending a dime, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have your very own ERPNext instance up and running, all hosted in the cloud. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the website frappacloud.com. This platform provides a smooth and user-friendly experience for hosting ERPNext, and best of all, it has a free plan. Once you're on the website, take a moment to get acquainted with the landing page. When you're ready, look for the button labeled Create an Account. If you're already a member, you can go ahead and log in with your existing credentials instead. After logging in, you'll see an option to Plus New Site. This is where you'll create your cloud-hosted environment for ERPNext. Clicking this will prompt you to make a few essential selections. Firstly, you'll need to choose the version of ERPNext you'd like to use. I recommend going with version 15 as it offers the latest features and updates, ensuring you're getting the best experience possible. Next, it's time to select your plan. For this tutorial, we're focusing on using ERPNext for free, so you'll want to choose the free plan. Selecting this plan means you won't have to worry about any costs, giving you a zero-commitment way to explore and utilize ERPNext. Once you've made these selections, the system will take about 1 to 2 minutes to set everything up for you. It might not seem like much time, but it's the perfect opportunity to grab a cup of coffee, or perhaps start planning how you're going to implement ERPNext into your business operations. And just like that, after a brief wait, your site will be ready. The next step is all about logging into your newly created ERPNext instance. To do this, you'll use the credentials specifically set up during the site creation. The email you'll use is administrator, and the password is the one you've chosen earlier in the setup process. Be sure to keep this information safe and secure for future access. And there you have it. You now have a free ERPNext instance hosted in the cloud, ready for you to explore and use. You can now start diving into all the features ERPNext has to offer, from managing inventory and finances to customer relations and beyond, all at no cost to you. I hope this guide was helpful and easy to understand. Enjoy exploring ERPNext and all its capabilities, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance. Thank you for tuning in, and happy managing.